What up, everyone? How many of you played with Lego as a kid? I assume a lot. To be honest, I went nuts for Legos, and Lego is the perfect example how a game can change your life. In today's video, we're going to talk about the history of Lego, how Lego is manufactured. We will discuss some world records and interesting facts. And if you got me till the end, I'm gonna show a work of mine too. My name is Roland, and this is The Blackout.
We can kill the lights, hit the lights, let it black out, hit the lights, let it black out.
So, where did it all begin? Let's buckle it up. Back in 1932 in Denmark with Ole, who was a carpenter, but he had to close his shop as he didn't produce enough money. Because he was talented, he decided to make toys firstly for his kids and secondly for sale. However, he faced some problems. His first big order got shot because of financial reasons. It looked like the family couldn't even have food for Christmas. The father was one of the most persistent person I've ever seen. Despite the fact that they could make Christmas fascinating and had enough food, things went wrong when the factory burned down. But he didn't give up on his dreams. He continued with his son Godfrey. Godfrey was good in business and marketing, and things started to flourish. At that time, the name Lego was created. It came from Leggot, which means playing well or have fun. Ole didn't waste time and bought plastic pressing machine, which was a way to make plastic figures. He bought this idea of bricks from Hilary Fisher Page. So if you see it that way, he didn't invent Lego bricks, but he did made it an amazing toy. Ole was more interested in these little squares, and actually that's where today's Lego started. Unfortunately, Ole couldn't live the success of Lego. However, his son Godfrey continued the business, and he decided to give system to Lego. Yeah, children could play with it and build some amazing sets from Lego. However, it could easily fall apart. So Godfrey actually put little tubes in Legos in order to stuck them together. Moreover, Godfrey built Lego's airport and Legoland, which had 1,600,000 visitors at first opening day. Now we have arrived to the present days. How is Lego made? It of course has different steps. Let's see manufacturing first. Lego is made up of ABS, which is a common type of plastic. This is melted at 232 Celsius degrees and it's stored into different silos organized by color. Finally, they cool down after 15 seconds and they get their shapes. Of course, it depends on the type of Lego. For example, making a hat has more steps because it has a painting part where its face is made up and just the same with the body. On top of that, there is a basic quality check as well. So that's just manufacturing, but what about designing? So all these decisions are made by 120 designers in Denmark, but there are different centers in Germany, England, Spain and Japan. All the Lego sets have to go through 3 different steps before getting into shops. First is analyzing trends and developments. Second is making an actual sketch or plan. And third, these sets are sent for testing out in families of project team. Think about that for a second. How cool is that when your parents came home and say to you, "Hey kid, you got a task to do, you have to play Lego." Honestly, I would have gone nuts for that. There are a couple of interesting facts about production. For example, did you know that Lego makes 15 billion bricks every year? It sounds crazy, but it's true. They say on average out of a million Lego brick, only 18 doesn't pass the basic test, which if you calculate, we get a percentage of 0.000018%. Lego is also the biggest tire making company, as they produce 400 million tires a year. Also, it's manufactured 45.7 billion bricks in 2012. At Christmas, 28 Lego sets are sold in every second. On top of that, there are enough Lego bricks on Earth to reach the moon, which is 384,000 kilometers away from us. As you can see, Lego, apart from the fact that it's amazing, they use a huge amount of plastic material. And you know guys, we highly support all kind of environmentally friendly ideas. And actually, Lego did it too. They made eco-friendly Legos and they set a deadline of 2030 to change all their bricks into this one. Actually, it uses sugarcane based plastic instead of an oil based one. Records are must in this video, so let's start with the basics, which is the tallest Lego building with 465,000 bricks and 94 feet in California. But don't quote me on that one. Different sources say different things. Another source said that the tallest is in Italy, in Milan, with 550,000 bricks and 114 feet tall. However, the next record is sure. That's from British TV anchor James May, who built a real-life Lego house with 3.3 billion bricks, including a shower, working toilet, and a bed. The largest Lego set ever is the Taj Mahal with 5,922 elements. 30 Lego sets were in space too to test out how microgravity works on them. this was all for today, guys. We tried to cover everything about LEGO and I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then a like or a sub would be appreciated. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. And as usual, see ya after the blackout.